Welcome to UPSC Vinoth. For the Prelims 2026, I'm going to start a new series called Protected Areas. In Protected Area series, we are going to discuss national parks and wildlife sanctuaries, which is very much important for this year prelims. So, first of all, we are going to start with Karakoram Wildlife Sanctuary. So, this is very much important for this year prelims because it has been in the news for it has proposal of expansion and boundary realignment. So, it is in the news because of the Karakoram Wildlife Sanctuary, it has a proposal of expansion and boundary realignment. First of all, Karakoram Wildlife Sanctuary, where it has been located? It has been located at Ladakh Range. It has been located at Ladakh Range. So, northernmost part of Ladakh Range. It is present at northernmost part of Ladakh Range. And also Karakoram Range. So, it is present in northernmost part of Ladakh and Karakoram Range. So, first of all, where it has been located? It has been located at Ladakh. So, and also other second most important point. So the rivers passes through this Karakoram range, Shayak and Nubra river. The river passes through this Karakoram range is Shayak and Nubra river. So this terrain is known for high altitude wetlands. High altitude wetlands. This particular terrain is known for high altitude wetlands. And coming to one of the most important point, the most important animal here is Tibetan antelope. Tibetan antelope. So and also it is known as chiru. So and also it is also known as chiru. So it is valued for shantush wool. So it is one of the most important animal which is present in this habitat. So other animals like Siberian ibex, Baharal, snow leopard, also seen in this Karakoram range. So these are all the important points with respect to Karakoram Wildlife Sanctuary. Now we are going to discuss the module MCQs. So first MCQ with respect to UPSC prelims. So we can expect these kind of question with respect to prelims. So wildlife conservation. So first question with reference of Tibetan antelope that is located which is present in this Karakoram Wildlife Sanctuary. Consider the following statement. So first with reference to Tibetan antelope. First statement, it is primarily found in high altitude plains of Karakoram and Changtang region. So yes, it is primarily found in high altitude plains of Karakoram and Changtang region. Yes, it is correct. Statement 2. It is listed critically endangered on IUCN Red List. See, listen it carefully. Tibetan antelope, Chiru, is listed in critically endangered on IUCN Red List. It is wrong. So it is near threatened. Near threatened. So statement 2 is wrong. Once you find statement 2 is wrong, so option C becomes obviously correct. The wool derived from this animal is known as Sahatush. So the trade of which banned globally. So this wool trade is banned globally. Shahatush wool trade has been banned globally. So statement 1 and 3 is correct. So statement 2 is incorrect. The chiru is currently listed in near threatened region. So statement 3 is correct. Shahatush is highly valued but illegal under CITES. It is highly valued but illegal under CITES. It is banned globally. So first question with respect to Karakoram Wildlife Sanctuary is about chiru. That is Tibetan antelope. So it is near threatened according to the IUCN Red List. And also it is found in primarily high altitude at plains of Karakoram and Changtang region. The wool named Shahatush, which is banned globally. So it is banned under CITES. Okay. So now we are going to second question. The Karakoram Wildlife Sanctuary is significantly associated with which of the following geographical features? Which of the following geographical features? Yes, first point. So the Nubra and Shayak River. So it is passes through the Nubra and Shayak River is passing through this Karakoram Wildlife Sanctuary. Yes, just we discussed it. Yes, the Nubra and Shayak River is passes through this Karakoram Wildlife Sanctuary. Okay, fine. High altitude cold deserts and wetland. Yes, high altitude cold desert and wetland is seen in this area. Bordering Saksham Valley to the north. Bordering the Saksham Valley to the north. Yes, it is bordering the Saksham Valley to the north. Point number 4, presence of Himalayan monal. So it is wrong. So Himalayan monal is not present in this area. So Himalayan monal is generally found in lower altitude of Himalayan forest. Lower altitude of Himalayan forest. So it is in high altitude region. So this Karakoram Wildlife Sanctuary is present in high altitude region. We already know that Chiru is here. Tibetan antelope is found in this area. So statement 1, 2, 3 is correct. 4 is wrong. 4 is wrong. Finally, the UPSC PYQ. UPSC PYQ related to this area with reference to Indian biodiversity. Siberian ibex, Baharal, snow leopard are naturally found in which area? So Trans-Himalayan region of Ladakh. It is very one of the easiest question. It is present in Trans-Himalayan region of Ladakh. So it is high altitude rugged terrain and Trans-Himalayas. It is high altitude rugged terrain and Trans-Himalayas. So this series will help you to clear the UPSC prelims exam. So keep supporting, keep following my channel for further updates. Thank you.